Good morning, good morning. It's Barbara. Happy new day to you. And here's something I wanted to ask you today. Are you ever frustrated with family members, even friends? What about work colleagues? What about your staff members? Frustrated that people seem to be sluggish, especially at this time of the year. Here's the good news. September is around the corner. We have spring coming, bursting any time now. Let's get the spirit, the energy of the people around us, the people we serve, into the same enjoyment of life. September is Mental Health Month. What better time do we have than inspiring people to do some internal reflection, some internal growth, so that they can push through for the rest of 2024. I'm Dr. Barbara Johnson. DM me regarding my book, Yes, Yes, You. 10 Stepping Stones to Get On With Your Life. I look forward to hearing from you, offering you pre-print discounts on bulk and discounts on print when it comes out in September. Pick up the phone. Let me know.